To get to this OP switch, you don't necessarily need to remove anything on the top of the engine, such as the cover or the intake. It might make it a little bit easier to be able to access the OP switch, but it is of course a lot more work overall. So we took the intake out of the way so you can see where we're working. We need to get this wiring harness off of there. So just grab this tab, lift it right up. Then you can use a nice long extension and your OP or oil pressure switch socket. Looks a lot like this. That would just slide right down over it. It should fit on well with, of course, your extension and everything. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to get our new OP switch in here. Make sure you use a little bit of thread sealant on it. That's going to be very important. I always start things in by hand. Okay. Now I'm just going to bottom this out, and then we'll torque it to manufacturer's specifications, which is 26 foot-pounds. Go ahead and grab that wiring harness. Slide it right down on there. Lock it in. Give it a tug. Okay, so once you got it in there, it's nice and tight, you replugged it in. The next thing that I would want to do is double check that oil level. Not that you would probably lose any oil doing this job, but it couldn't hurt to check the oil level. Once you've done that, go ahead and take it for a road test.